Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got one from Zenpop. This is one of their monthly boxes. You can go to Zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. There's 7 different varieties of Japanese instant ramen in these, and generally it's stuff that I've never seen nor tried. So let's crack it open and have a look. Oh, cool. Alright, so when you crack open one of these boxes, you're going to see this pamphlet, and on the back you're going to see this QR code and also a regular link that will take you to information about everything that's in this box. And that's what I'm going to do right now and run through everything that's in here. Alright, to start things off with the November 2023 Ravenous Ramen box here, we've got Yamadai with their Sugomen Toyama Black. And yeah, this looks like a fancy one. It should be pretty good. Next up from Marushan, we've got Mendo Suke Sukiyaki flavored udon. Yeah, I want to apologize for the lighting, but the sun is being rude today. Yeah, so I'm guessing since it's sukiyaki, it's going to have a little bit of sweetness, and since it's udon, the noodles will be a little bit thicker. And from Sunneoshi, we have their miso ramen. Yeah, this is one of my favorite companies just due to their little slogan or song. If you look it up on YouTube, just look up Men no Sunneoshi and you'll find it. I might put a link in when I review this one. Yeah, generally good products. And from Table Mark, we've got Home Run Ken Wonton Men. And I think I reviewed this before. I know I have, but I think it's been at least 7-8 years. And yeah, World Series is going on right now. So yeah. Now here's one from Myojo. This is a Charumera Barakata Tonkatsu. And it's got a little sachet on top with an extra bit of liquid seasoning. Yeah, we'll give it a try. And here's one from Marushan. This is Kuta Shoyu Tonkatsu, and Kuta means full, or I'm full, or I'm satisfied. The idea behind this line is that they would put like extra bits of seasonings and garnish and all that, so it was like more of a full meal. So yeah, when you're done eating it, you're supposed to go, ah, Kuta! So there you go. And to finish things up, we've got an Ippichan, crazy big Ippichan, what is it? Karaage. So I think this is going to be like a big fried chicken soup flavored thing. That sounds right. I've reviewed one of these cup versions of Ippichan, which seemed like a weird thing because I'm used to seeing this logo and design in yakisoba. So yeah, sounds interesting. All right, so in the November 2023 box, you get a home run, miso, this one, big Ippichan, filling shoyu tonkatsu, more tonkatsu, Toyama Black, and your informational pamphlet. Well, cool. As always, thank you very much to the folks over at Zenpop for sending these boxes over. Always something interesting and cool to try. If you want to get one, head on over to Zenpop.jp and use that coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every single day of your freaking lives. Have a good one. Bye.